Hey, what's up, besties? Thank you so much for coming back to watch another one of my Playing With Me's. Today is a very special one because I am stepping outside of my box, y'all. I am getting out and I'm trying something new in my what? Hobonichi! Yes, I am going to the Scribble Prince Co party this weekend and I am all about using all of the kits. So I went through my stash. If you guys saw my video yesterday, I did a plan with me in the what planner was that? The vertical, yeah. In the vertical Erin Condren planner. And I had some leftovers and I was like, oh, I could use this in my Hobonichi, but how do I want to use it? And just so happens I was on Kane's Instagram, which is Kane from Printpression, and he just released a new weeks for Printpression. It's like a whole, basically like a Hobonichi, but it's his version of the Hobonichi, and I cannot wait to get my hands on one. But he did a spread that was on Instagram, and I was like, oh, I've got to try it. I've got to try it. So as you can see, I am basically just making some lines. I decided to get out that good Erin Condren ruler and try to make me some lines on here so that I can make this into a vertical spread. So that's the overall theme today, is I'm making a vertical spread. So right now I'm taking this and I'm just trying to basically create myself a bottom border or bottom washi, whatever you want to call it. Oh, hey, coins. And so I was cutting it. I'm using a slice tool. If you've never used one of those, they are available at your local craft store, or you can just grab one off of Amazon with your next Amazon order. There's a link to all of these tools in my shop as well. So I kind of made a boo-boo and I didn't cut it right directly in the middle, so it was just it wasn't looking cute. So I went ahead and had to use that other washi up there at the top. I was trying not to do that so I could save it for something else, but when your girl can't cut in half, I mean, it's a thing. So the paper that I have underneath my table is actually like a backdrop type table paper or whatever, but anyways, I put that down so that when I'm crafting or cutting, that I'm not cutting directly on my table, because I have an IKEA table, and I mean, it does really well as far as if I get a spill or anything like that on there, but also in the same breath, I just don't want to be putting all these marks and stuff in here. So right now I'm trying to figure out exactly how I wanted the days to go, and I decided to go across with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday and Sunday at the bottom, and then leaving that last section as a note section. And I was like, oh, this is perfect. I think this will really work out for me. I like the way that it looks. It's aesthetically pleasing to me. Y'all know how I am. I know it's a thing. But yeah, I just fell in love with this whole layout of the vertical in here, because one, it opened me up to some more room. If I didn't use all the boxes and stuff that I used, you guys will see this would definitely give me more room for my days. And I don't know, y'all, I'm really feeling it. I love the way the Hobonichi is, and I found myself trying to create stuff on the other side, but I think this could be a thing. This could really be the thing for me. So yeah, now I'm just taking it, and I decided I was gonna cut this one up. I used all of the skin tone girls that look like me, so I just opted to use the one that I felt was next closest to me. And I think this one, it just looks like Andrea. I don't know if that's her, but I just feel like that would be Andrea. If it was someone, it'd be her. So I'm gonna say I used Andrea in my planner. So now I'm trying to figure out where I want to stick another one of the full boxes. In Kane's, he had a lot of the full boxes in there, and it looked a lot neater. So I don't know if maybe he had many full boxes. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to investigate a little bit more, because I just saw the picture and I didn't dive into it. I just kind of saw the picture and made my own thing. So right now I'm sticking it down, and I decided to kind of make a double box out of it. Ain't that cute? Okay, girl, I see you get creative and all that. So I had this chandelier box left over, and I decided to kind of cut that one off to give it the appearance that it was kind of floating a little bit on the side. So I decided that was going to be the majority of the full boxes that I would use, because it was starting to get packed already and I needed room to write all the things. So I laid down this ombre heart checklist box, and then I was like, oh nope, I don't like it. So I pulled it up and it actually pulled up really well too. So that was pretty good for me because I was a little worried about the paper in the Hobonichi not pulling up correctly. So I went in and I took it and put it on Monday instead of on Friday because that makes all the sense in the world. Then on Monday, I just added a box. It was a quarter box and it didn't have anything in it. And then I added the to-do label at the top of that because I knew that I would have a lot to go, going on. That's a lot anyway. And then on Friday, I did my to-do box, and then I used an ombre 3-heart checklist, and then I added the box. So I wanted to do that so I had more room to write down the flight information and all that stuff as I am traveling. Okay, so now we're going over into, well, I thought we were going to go to Tuesday, but clearly we're just skipping over Tuesday, and we're going to go to Wednesday. And I put down another quarter box and then an ombre heart checklist box. And you guys know how I feel about those. They aren't my zhush, but it actually worked in here. So I don't know, I might be becoming an ombre heart girl. I did put down one of the empty, I don't know what they call those, but I put on one of the empty glitter header thingy mabobbers down below on Wednesday just to add some spice when I do my wiggle. And then I added another quarter box on Thursday, and I did it on Tuesday. And as you saw, I was trying to play around with the heart checklist, and I was like, oh, this will work. And it didn't work out the way I thought it would. I was like, oh, I can just write small. Nah, didn't happen. So then I added some of the little small boxes that came with the kit, but those didn't work out either. It just looked blah against the color tone of the paper because the Hobonichi paper is more of a cream tone, and that was white. So it just looked like I was trying to force the force. But then I went back to that kit that I pulled out of my D-stash from the box that I got from Scribble Prints Co. And I got those little dots, and then I added some of the overlays. Oh, that's what they're called, overlays. Overlays is what I was looking for. So then I just decided to do the same thing on Thursday because it was really cute. And so I just spaced them out enough to give me room to write in there, and then just place the overlays on there. So that's an idea if you guys are looking for something to do to give you some checklists or bullet points. That is a great thing to add, just those little dots, and then put an overlay over it to give it some zhush. So yeah, I don't know if I said this already, but those stickers, okay, so I had 2 sets of stickers. I had the stickers that I got from Scribble Prints Co., the actual kit that came with us buying tickets, and then I had another thing, another kit that came in my D-stash box. I have a whole haul that I did from this box that I got from her. If y'all ever get a chance to get one of these boxes and you're trying to get into the Scribble Prints Co. lifestyle, this is the box to get. It had so much stuff in there, and the kit that you see with the mustard color, or the pages that you see from the mustard color, is not a whole kit, but it's pieces of one. And so I was able to piece it together with this kit, and it made sense, y'all. I'm so excited that it just worked. I loved it. All right, so now I'm going in and I'm adding that overlay across the bottom. I just thought that was so cute. I'm all about making this jazzy and fancy, okay? Because I'm here for any sort of glitter overlay. I'm loving it. So I added that down at the bottom with the bottom washi. Now I'm going back in, and I added this flag on Saturday, and I didn't have another gold one that said Scribble Prints Co., so I just bit the bullet and mixed the metal, and I did the silver one that says Scribble Prints Co. Party. I thought that was cute. And then I just added some more of the quarter boxes with the little flag on the side. Now I'm going in with some of these overlays. They're corner overlays, and they are so stinking cute. And I just wanted to use them to just, again, I like the way it looks when I shake it, okay? When I shake what my mama, or what Hobonichi gave me, because my mom didn't give me this Hobonichi, but when I shake what Hobonichi gave me, it gives me a little zhush to my soul. So yeah, now I'm going in and adding in just some deco that I had on there, and then some more overlays, some more deco. Trying to see what else I'm doing here. Then I added a bow and a bow clip, and you guys know I love my bow clips. And then I just added some more of those dots, and I'm going in with the overlays. I love I just can't talk enough about how I love the way this is turning out. It's so stinking cute. And these stickers pulled up, like I said, they pulled up really well. I yeah, I misplaced that sticker down, and I almost was like, ugh, I don't like it, I'm gonna take it up, but I was like, forget it, I've already done that. So I just adjusted the way I had the little corner overlay on there. And I was going to erase the pencil mark, but I decided not to. I was like, oh, it's okay. It'll work and do what it has to do. That's me taking a picture of it for Instagram before the pen. Yeah, look at me. Woo. Hey, there it goes. Okay, get it in, girl. Okay, so now I'm going in and I'm writing. This pen is one of my pens from my shop. I wanted to see how it would do on the Scribble Prints Co. Sticker paper because it's different from mine. It works really well on mine. On this one, I don't think it showed up as boldly as I wanted it to, but it is a faster drying pen. But it just didn't dry as fast on this particular paper. So that's a thing to be mindful of when these release. Just know that if you have any Scribble Prints Co. paper, it does work on the paper, but it's just, one, it's not as bold, and two, it needs a little bit of time to dry. But a lot of gel pens do need time to dry, so that's not abnormal or, awkward or anything. They just need time to dry. So it's a thing. All right, so now we're getting into, I added some bits because, what's a what am I saying? What is a spread without some bits? Ooh, tongue twister. I am twisted up this morning. Okay, so now I'm just going in and just adding in some more of those little stickers that I had on there, and now maybe I'll write some stuff down. Yeah, so if you guys had any of my pens that I released, like the I forgot, the slim pens, this is like a version of that. It's just all black, and I love that it's all black. It's amazing. So you can see, like, it writes so bold and so clear on like regular paper, so it's amazing. I love how it writes on there. But I just thought it could be a little bit more bolder on the paper. But I think that's just because of the paper that it is. And you have some pens that'll do that too. Some pens some stickers you have to write with the like a Sharpie or something like that, but I'm just not a fan of Sharpie, so I just rather it just not be as bold. Because once you start writing with a Sharpie, man, that's it. Like, I don't know, Sharpie just is so permanent. Does anyone else feel like that? Like, even though I know the gel pens and stuff are permanent, but when I write with a Sharpie, no matter which one it is, I always feel like this is a permanent situation for me, and it will never turn back. I don't know, I may be weird, but tell me what you guys think down below in the comments about writing with a Sharpie. I would love to know if I'm just being weird or whatever. So those are the things that I'm tracking over there on the side, which is my water and my sleep. I love tracking those. Now I'm just trying to think if there's anything else I need to add, and yeah. All right, you guys, so here is my spread for this week. I am super loving how this turned out. Only thing I'm missing is like a little packing sticker, but I guess I really could just use a bit. She'll be good right there. So I'm missing like a little packaging sticker, but that's okay. I'm here for it regardless, and I'm so excited about how this turned out. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely everything. I cannot wait to share this with y'all. I gotta go find some date covers, because all the date covers that I have are, you know what, I wonder if I got some more. I might have some that could fit over here. From Scribble Prints Co. too, so I might try to find that. But anyways, this is my spread, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this one and you want me to do it again this way next week versus this way, then let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye.